We've been here for 4 weeks. Today is our final day, but on the first day we were here, we actually already discovered a waterway. We just didn't find the entrance. Now we are back and find the entrance, go down the waterway, and then walk all the way back here. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
This will be the final adventure of Marbella 2021. So the GoPro is in the housing with the little orange puffy thing so that it doesn't drown. We have the GoPro Hero Max 360 with a little tie on the end. We have an extra battery and the key, so locking the car, closing the hood, and we're off to the races. So based on the current estimation, when you are in the shadows, it's gonna be cold. We're not gonna let that deter us from this challenge to get down the waterway because we don't have a second chance. And right there, it seems like there's an entrance to the whole situation. Looks quite promising based on how soft the rocks look in terms of there's no sharp edges, at least not here.
I think it's refreshing and it's super clear, and I think you have to move fast.
Okay, so let's go moving.
Let's move.
So apparently it's not just for sliding, you can also jump. Quite refreshing, but a great jump. How is it so far? Is it what you expected?
It is kind of what I expected. Kind of challenging, refreshing, but it's fun.
Yes. For me, I did not know what to expect. I have never been canyoning. I've never done that.
This is canyoning level 1.
Yeah. But it feels perfect because the rocks are super smooth. They're really soft. So on one hand, you can slip very easily. On the other, it's super cool because you don't really cut yourself or something. You can just walk across, and that's really nice.
No risk, no fun.
Warmed up in the sun, and the sun is really warm.
The stones are warm on the feet.
I hope we have more to go.
Das ist slippery.
So much for that is slippery. That is really slippery. So up to this point there has not been any injury, but it sure is slippery. As demonstrated right there. And these are the sections that people told me about. You really have to swim. It's too steep on either side. There's no way around. Oh well. I'm so happy that this is not sharp edges.
Still refreshing. And so clear. Super clear.
Going through nature where nobody has ever been before. That's how it feels sometimes. A new opening is there for us to explore and swim through, which is not something you can skip because it's too steep on either side. So through we go. So we just found a different area, and this is where it's like a little waterfall from the side of the mountain. There's like water running down the side here. And it's a really cool place because it's almost like a cave, but there's a bit of an opening up there. So that was a dove alarm. They're right there. And we scared them. Sorry. This seems to be the longest swim that we have had until now. Let's go. Oh, this is amazing. What a beautiful creek. This is amazing.
This is like ocean extreme.
What an incredible experience. Wow. Wow. Freaking cold in there. But what an amazing swim.
At least we did some meters. Amazing.
So I am seeing a very, very dark place right over there. We have to swim into the darkness to get to the other side. What a crazy place. There is light at the end of the tunnel. And the birds above. Guru, guru. Whew. There's warm air coming up. Right now, all we are looking for is a bridge that's supposed to cross us over. Oh, the sunshine! Oh, the sunshine!
It feels so good.
Yes, the warm feeling. So we have the dam, and right between the rocks up there, the bridge. We have almost made it. How are you supposed to get up there? Well, it was doable after all. Seems less challenging. So we just tried to figure out how to get down there. And then I took a look over there. And there seems to be a ladder of some sort. Maybe we don't actually go all the way down there. In the corner over there, it is super slippery. And there's like literally no way to get down there. So I guess we'll have to climb. That's quite the scary climb with just the like iron pieces right there. But we're almost at the top. This may not have been an official exit after all, but let's see. We're not going to go down. This is one way. We're going up there.
We made it! We are alive! Oh my gosh!
This was an adventure.
It was kind of a free climbing thing. Wow!
What an adventure!
Yeah.
What an adventure! Absolutely just a crazy adventure, and I would definitely do it again. Maybe on a day that is a little more warm. Maybe bring some shoes
And it would be better if you can swim.
If you cannot swim, don't go in there. If you enjoyed this adventure with us, please give this video a like. And if you do this yourself, or if you have your own experience, you can share that in the comment section down below. And with all that said, I hope to see you in the next video. And until then, ciao ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
P.S.
The key is working.
Because that of course was in this bag right here, which turned out not to be waterproof. One battery and one key in this bag, both worked. Overall, it was just a perfect win.